Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Dextromethorphan is not the only cough suppressant available. There are other medications like codeine and diphenhydramine that also serve as effective cough suppressants. These alternatives work differently to reduce coughing and may be prescribed based on individual health needs and the type of cough. It's important to consult with a healthcare provider to choose the right cough suppressant, as they can advise on the most appropriate option based on your specific symptoms and health condition.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.